Hello and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to be camping at Chino Lake State Park here in good old Indiana. The weather isn't supposed to be great. There's two storms coming up from the west and from the south. I'm going to try my best. I'm going to hopefully solo camp there, just depending on this weather. If it is bad, I'm probably not going to, but if it is decent, I'm going to try, and it seems like it's going to clear up, and when it hits, it's going to move here fast, I should say. So hope you enjoy and join me on this adventure, and you'll see good old winter Indiana weather. Finally made it. How to use the restroom real fast. As you see, it's right here. This is where I'm going to be camping somewhere. Hopefully no one was at this park to have me register, so I'm going to hold off for a little while and hopefully I can. This is not bad of a place. It's your non-electric place. Just have like a little spot with a little fire and picnic table, so I don't think it's that bad. But to each their own. I'm just tent camping, so it's not going to be that bad. Starting at this trailhead, I forget which one it is. This is a massive place. That's what I was thinking about camping here. But if I'm unable to, it's not a lost cause. I can always come back here again. But yeah, it's got to be wet. Snow all melted from the first video I posted. And it's been raining heavily. And today is supposed to be raining, sleeting, and snowing, so it's going to be one interesting day. There's a good old map. Waypoint, you are here. Following 6 all the way around. Probably up here. See what time it is. If it's getting late, I'm going to come back. If not, I can continue. I don't know. Wow. Got a woodpecker somewhere around there. Hear him loudly. Really echoes on this woods. Oh, this is hilly. Let's see if I don't get worn out before I go halfway. That's a drop off. Oh my gosh. It's far down there. Oh my gosh, there's wooden stairs all the way down. Holy crap, this is kind of treacherous. Oh, this is wet. Oh, this wood is soaking. Stand on the outside, just in case it fails. That does look great. Oh my. Almost fell through there. Okay. That was dangerous. Especially if that was ice. No shot I would have made it down. Well, this is... What the heck? It's a house. It's gonna go up, but man, it's the incline stuff. Now this route is treacherous. My gosh. These poles are a lifesaver. I would recommend getting poles because they will help you out a ton. Ooh, whoa, whoa, whoa. That's slippery. Wow. I almost wiped out there. Is that geese I hear? I hear geese. They didn't listen to me last time. I wonder if I'm gonna go up that thing. That's gonna be quite interesting. It's gonna weave around and I think it's gonna climb right there. Could be completely wrong though. Hey, there's one lake. I'm actually curious what lake this is. There's a squirrel. And also a tree branch. Oh, chipmunk. Okay. Long Lake. Nope. Sucker Lake connects to Long Lake. So this is Sucker Lake. Sucker Lake. I think this is the best view. I'm not sure what that white thing is. I think they're register markers for people that paddle. Yeah, I can't see that far with these binoculars. They're not the best quality. I think it says like don't enter. Oh, there's geese over there. Yup, I found the geese. That's funny. Well, I better continue. Oh wow, look at this incline. I think we're getting close. Yeah, I think that's connection to Long Lake and whatever lake that is over there. Let's check this map and see where I am. Or which path, 1 or 6. I would think it's 1. I want to go around. 6 cuts back, I believe. Yep, I'm gonna go 1 to 8 to 9. Hopefully I can do that, but 1 to 8. Oh, what lake is this? Dock Lake. There's a slippery. Yeah. Boom. I wonder how kayaks and stuff get down there. This is a nice small little pond and not a lake, but they call this a lake. Oh man, I'm already tired. They're not lying. This trail is brutal, and I'm not even really on this trail. So school, Stanley's school. So it's kind of cool. It's closed. Awesome. It says 9. Nice. What? This looks like they cleared for power lines. Is this correct? I guess there's a ways to go for this lake. Oh man. What does it say? It is. Oh my gosh. Yeah. Rugged. Yeah, 9. Oh my gosh, this is actually very rugged. is creative. What the? Oh. I don't think I've ever seen you before. Huh. Black and white bird with dots. Oh, this is a rugged path. Slippery. It's an incredible view. Oh. Wow, this high as those power lines. And those things are high up. Oh my gosh, this is tall. Where am I? There's a car. I think I know where I need to go. There's no really trail. It doesn't even say what I've been without. This, right? Oh, okay. That makes me feel a lot better. Leavenhead Trail. Boom. Ooh. No trespassing. I see. I thought I heard a rattlesnake. I was gonna freak out because we don't have rattlesnakes in Indiana. Holy hell. I don't know what that was, but that scared me. It's the same noise. Oh my gosh. Oh man. Oh, there's the dog. Looks like a golden mix or something. Hey, Mr. Tree. Oh my gosh. I don't think it's a new fallen. Maybe it is, but oh, maybe it is. Oh, but it's the first tree I had to climb over. That's not too bad. Not too bad. They maintain these trails, which is very nice. Maybe I won't camp today. Just depends how much I get done today, because if it's a real pain to try and get a spot, I might not do it. Would be fun, honestly. I've actually never camped before, besides at my parents' property out in the yard, but I don't count that. So this will be a new experience. I'm actually really looking forward to it. I have everything: tent, sleeping bag. I'm not carrying on me, as you can see. That would be too heavy just to go in a circle and go back to my car. So yeah, I'm gonna try my best, but I have low hope. We got more hills. Hills and valleys. Whew. Here we go. Right here, I'm not gonna go back. Oh, that's why there's a house there. But okay, there's no really place to sit. That looks like a great spot. Rest a little bit here, and then continue going on. I'm gonna try to get this whole loop done, because I got that all done. Hour and a half, 2 more hours besides rest. But I need this. Oh, I need this badly. Oh, ready to continue. That was a massive, good 15-minute break. Legs feel a lot better. Those legs were hurting. Oh my gosh. There's no over there. I thought that looked like a track. This is full of brush. It's very quiet out. Very still. Very quiet. And my fear is a storm is gonna come creeping up in the next few hours. It's gonna downpour rain. I hope it's not gonna be that much. I so hope. That That's a massive tree ball. Oh my gosh. Oh my God. Look at that thing. Oh my gosh, that's massive. I wonder what took that down. Now this looks creepy. What the heck? You could 100% film a horror movie in this area. Cause that tree really gets it. Man, dark, when it would be night out, man, this would be creepy. And it's raining. The rain has started. Oh gosh. No. It's hail. It's hailing. Oh, I hope this is just small hail. Look at that. It's hailing. Holy crap. Look how big this maple leaf is. Yeah, you can see it's raining now. That's one big maple leaf. I wonder what tree produced that. It's massive. The vine's taking over that pine tree. This one's gonna follow suit. A lot of vines, wow. That's a thick vine. It's another thick one. Used to swing on those as a kid. Till they fall down, and that really scares you. Another asphalt. I like this area. This feels like you're really hiking. I like this a lot. This could be like a stage 2 of the movie. A swampy green, spooky tree area. Look at all that moss. Okay, you are right here. Whoa, that's a beautiful blue jay. That guy's beautiful. Can I get my binoculars on him? Nope, too late. That was beautiful blue jay. I think this might be the end of Lovin. It is. Oh man. What a journey. It's gotta be like 2 more hours left. I'm getting tired. Still a lot of trail left. Whew. Yeah. 4.4 miles. This rain, it's not terrible rain. It's not like freezing rain. It's not heavy pouring. So that's very nice. And these trees look creepy too. When these trees don't have leaves on them. Look very creepy. Oh wow. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Mudslide. Oh my gosh, it's getting very slippery. Okay, let's take it very slow on this bridge. Okay. At least there's bricks here. That's a big plus. Finally, I see water. I don't know what that is. It's gotta be the farthest one. I'm so hoping. Finally made it to Miller Lake. Norman Lake is right over there, like we saw up there. Both of them. They're the farthest. So I've been the end to end. Now this trail will lead back to hopefully my car. And then hit every single other lake on the way back. So it's been a long journey. Still got, I'm gonna say, an hour and a half maybe left to go. But oh man, are my legs gonna hurt tomorrow. Hopefully I don't fall on this bridge while I'm at it. This is exhausting. 11.5 miles, 4 hours and 9 minutes. Oh man. I don't know if this is still Miller or it's the other river, lake that's attached to it. They were close. I think this might still be Miller. The other one's on the left side. Could be wrong though. I have no idea. I can't remember the map. Like the big arrow shows go over the bridge. Oh my gosh. Oh, arrow. Sweet arrow. Okay. Take it slow. Steady. I'm caught. Okay. Oh. This looks very familiar with the big drop-offs. So, I know. Oh, and there's a sign. A beautiful intersection. So let's see where I'm at. See how many more miles I have left. Oh man. That's called River Lake. Okay, I need to go here. So 4 down to 12, 5 and 3. Boom. Oh. This is River Lake. That's funny. What a vehicle's parade. This is a pedestrian one. Now this is a fancy bridge. It's over the massive, the River Lake. I think that's Mud Lake. Okay. River. That's not a great picture. Nice bridge. That's a massive lake. Sand Lake. Starts from, I would say, here, goes all the way down there. This is more like Long Lake. This one should be called Long Lake. The other one should be called Sand Lake. Probably some sand down under here, but I didn't name these lakes. Looks like there is frozen on the edge. Just a little bit. It's kind of cool, but oh, there's a dock. someone paddling on here. Oh, fishing. I just want to say a ballsy move. Wow. There's a whole playground and a beach. Oh, that's why it's called Sand Lake. I put 2 and 2 together. That way. Oh, it's a whole restaurant type deal. Wow. This is actually kind of fancy. Oh my gosh. This actually would be worth it in the summertime. I'm not gonna lie. We got candy. I can't pay it, so yeah. Oh, it's just their menus. Huh. Your local radio station. Not gonna lie, those prices weren't bad at all. Let's see where I can find Trailhead 3. Yeah. Now I can say I hiked in snow too. Hail, rain, and snow. I think if I touch it, it counts. I can put it in the thumbnail. Well, that's hard snow too. Wind is coming a little bit stronger. I need to get out of here. I think I got a mile left. But I am close. I am so close. Wait, what? There's a lake right here? No, this is a parking lot. Oh, I'm an idiot. I thought that... What a lake. Oh my gosh, man. Oh, I see it. I see the car. Oh, I'm cutting through here. I'm so hungry. I'm so tired. Today I'm just making some hot dogs. I got some little snacks right here. I'm gonna make another grilled cheese, but yeah, these things are gonna... Oh, I cannot wait to eat. I am so hungry. Got a lot to do. To cook, but it is... What time is it? Yeah, 3 o'clock almost. Typically only at this time, but man, this burner is awesome. Just a little simple burner. I don't have the tinfoil on. Honestly, kind of forgot because I'm just so freaking hungry. But sitting down here is amazing. So yeah, I will eat and go from there. Finished with the dogs. They didn't turn bad at all. That'd be delicious, and I cannot wait to eat these. So yep, turn off the burner. So yeah, I'm gonna eat these, and this is gonna taste amazing. I have cheese in there too. I don't know if you can kind of see on that other one, but right there. But yeah, this is gonna taste great. I cannot wait. Thanks for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. I had a lot of fun. I am very tired. Feels so nice to sit in the car. I cannot wait to lay down. Anyways, and thank you for watching. It was a blast. I hope you had fun. Join me on this adventure. It kind of surprised me it hailed. Sorry for the disappointment of not camping out here. The weather just really sucks. I'm kind of afraid of Sunday. The winds are going to be heavy because they're predicting 20 plus, maybe 30 miles per hour wind. I don't feel like camping in that. So, again, thank you for watching. I appreciate it. And I'll see you next time.